हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है सब अच्छे हैं। आज के इस नए एपिसोड पर हम एक्सरसाइज नंबर 6 करेंगे। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द 6th ट्यूटोरियल। एंड जो लोग आज पहली बार ये देखने वाले हैं उनसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप पहले वो 5 कॉन्स्ट्रेंट एक्सरसाइज देख लें and then you can continue with this one, or those are already our viewers. I would like to request you to continue watch this video from start to end. So let's begin today's exercise with a lot of excitement, with a lot of energy. Let's begin. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें देखना पड़ेगा ये जो एक्सरसाइज आज हम करेंगे इसमें क्या क्या एंटिटी इस्तेमाल किया गया है स्केच बनाने के लिए। सो एज आई कैन सी थ्रू द ड्राइंग, आई हैव टू यूज सर्कल, आई हैव टू यूज आर्क, आई हैव टू यूज स्लॉट, variety of slots like straight slot and arc slot. So let's begin drawing the central portion of the sketch, that is the circular part. तो ये बनाने के लिए मुझे सबसे पहले सॉफ्टवेयर में जाना पड़ेगा। सो लेट्स ओपन अप द SolidWorks 2023 वर्जन सॉफ्टवेयर. So to open a new sketch, what I have to do here, I have to press Ctrl N. And like this I will get a pop-up window, and here I have to choose part to create any kind of 2D drawing or 3D modeling. So simply select the part and press OK. इसके बाद आपको स्केच करने के लिए जो इंटरफेस चाहिए वो आपको मिल जाएगा। सो यहाँ पे आप देखिए ऑलरेडी हमारा स्केच टैब सिलेक्टेड है। यू कैन गो टू दिस extreme left corner and you can see here there are different tabs here. Here I have to choose sketch specifically to create a new sketch. तो चलिए यहाँ पे मैंने ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट कर दिया है। इसके बाद हम यहाँ पे स्केच के ऊपर और एक बार क्लिक करेंगे जिससे मेरा एक नया स्केच बनना चालू हो जाएगा। So as we can see in the central part of the sketch, we have to choose a particular plane जहां हमें sketch बनाना है। So obviously it is a 2D drawing, 2-dimensional drawing. It doesn't matter मैं कौन सा plane यहाँ पे चुनने वाला हूँ। So it's okay, you can take any of them. So यहाँ पे मैं front plane से शुरुआत करता हूँ। तो जैसे ही मैंने front plane पे क्लिक किया, I got this origin in the center. So we will use this origin to begin our sketch. So let's go back to the sketch once again. So we will start from the central portion. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे हैं R62 का एक सर्कल है, and at a height of 110 from the center I have again two different circles, 26 diameter का and R24 का। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। R62 रेडियस का एक सर्कल हम बनाते हैं सेंटर में। So to make circle, here I can go to this sketch tab and here I will get different sketching entities. As we can see here, simply click over this drop down and select circle. After selecting circle, I can click over this origin and I can click it like this. इसके बाद again मुझे क्या करना है, अगर दूसरा सर्कल बनाना है मैं immediate अभी ही बना सकता हूं यहाँ पे, because circle command is activated, so I can make circles like this. Once I complete making circles, I don't need the circle command to be activated anymore. So यहाँ पे आप OK और close dialog पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं। Once you click over that, the next thing you have to do here is go to Smart Dimension tool. So click over Smart Dimension tool. So by clicking over Smart Dimension tool, you enable applying dimensions to different sketch entities. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये सर्कल को क्लिक कर दिया है और यहाँ पे R62 मुझे अप्लाई करना है। That means 62 into 2. This is the diametrical value we have to enter. So simply press enter. After that, the height from here to here I am getting here is, let's check it up, 110. So let's apply it here. Double click, 110, enter. After that, again I am getting two different diameters, 26 and 48. R24, it is 48 diameter. So let's draw 26 and 48 circles there. So this is 26 and this is 48. Even after creating these diameters, these circles are appearing blue in color. Why? Because they need to be aligned with the origin. As they are not horizontal with the origin, it is appearing blue. So to apply that, मुझे यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ये सेंटर पॉइंट को सिलेक्ट करना है, प्रेस कंट्रोल, अगेन ये ओरिजिन को आपको सिलेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद आप ये मेक वर्टिकल ऑप्शन यहां से ले सकते हैं, और एल्स यहाँ पे आपको राइट साइड में, सॉरी लेफ्ट साइड में एड रिलेशंस के नीचे भी आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा. क्लिक ओवर इट वर्टिकल एंड ओके. So this is how I have made it fully defined. You can check the status right here below left side. After that, what next? I have to create these arcs here of R45. So to do that, I can again go back to circle, but this time I won't be taking this circle because I have to make a circle which will maintain tangency with two different entities. So you have to click beside this drop down icon, and here we can see there is an option called perimeter circle. So ये आपका 10 radius जैसा काम करेगा. So यहाँ पे आप इसको select करेंगे. After selecting it, you go to the sketch, select this particular entity, this entity, and click here. Press OK. The same thing again I need that side. So again I will go to here, click over here, here, and click here. Right? So after creating these two circles, I know that these two are of same radius value. So सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे equal constraint apply कर देते हैं. So to apply equal constraint, select them by using control key, and here I can apply equal. After that, go to smart dimension and apply the dimension to any one of them, or else we can simply trim out first, and after that we can apply the radius value. So this radius value is given 45, enter. Very easy. Next thing I have to do here is right below from the center to this point, I have to go 130 mm height, and there I will create a arc slot. So to do that, again I will go to software. Here in the sketch tools, I get different types of arcs to create. So the type of arc I need here is center point slot, center point arc slot. So इसको बनाने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले इसको select करना है. After that, you simply click over the center point, and this will be the start point, and this will be the ending point, and like this I can create this smaller arc. Okay. After creating the arc, I have to define the dimensions. The first dimension here is यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपको 130 mm का height provide करना है. So go to smart dimension tool, click here and here, and this height is 130. After that आपको यहाँ पे 64 radius and 20 radius apply करना है. So again I'll go to here, 64 radius, and this is 20 radius. I have to apply it like this. After that, यहाँ पे R22 आपको देखने को मिल रहा है. So let's apply that as well. Click here and apply R22. So see, it is showing me an error. It is the driven dimension. That means after giving these two dimensions, I cannot give it. Okay, that's totally fine. So let's see what else we can give here. So जैसे कि ये यहाँ पे ऐसे move कर रहा है, so we have to make it vertical with the center point at first. So select this particular center point, और ये origin point को भी आप select कीजिए. उसके बाद यहाँ पे आप make vertical के ऊपर click कीजिए. After that, मैं यहाँ पे इसको जब drag कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता चल रहा है कि ये इस point के alignment में रहना चाहिए, but ये आगे आ रहा है. So I have to fix that as well. So take a center line here from this point to this point, and select this center line and make it horizontal. So with the same center line, I can coincide this point as well. Select that point, press Ctrl, select the center line, and make it coincide. So like this, I have made this sketch fully defined. Okay. After that, what next? The next part here is to create this R40. So it is very easy. again we will go to perimeter circle. So here we have that option, perimeter circle, click over it. After that you have to define first entity, second entity, click here. Okay, the same thing I need in the opposite side. Again go here, click here, click here and click here. After that go to trim entities and ये दोनों को आप ऐसे trim कर दीजिए. And I know them equal in radius, so select one entity, press Ctrl, select the other entity and make them equal. After applying equal constraint, I will go to smart dimension tool and I will apply the radius value, that is 40. Right, so after creating these sides I will use trim tool here. So यहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे हैं trim entities का एक option है, click over here and simply trim out the unnecessary portions. This is how I trimmed out the slot. Okay, now I don't need the center point of the slot, so यहाँ पे मैंने इसको select किया and delete कर दिया. After that यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ relations खो दिए trimming करने के बाद, इसको फिर से मुझे re-establish करना है. So simply click over them by using control key and apply them. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैंने टेंजेंट अप्लाई किया फिर से. Again select this, press control, select this, apply tangent, and like this is again turned to black. That means it is fully defined. After that the last thing remained in the sketch is this central slot, and it is a straight slot of 66 length and radius 14. Let's do that. So to get that straight slot option, I will go here in the sketch, click over this drop down. Here I have two different options, straight slot, center point straight slot. So here center point straight slot जो है वो मेरा काम आसान बना देगा. So simply click over it. After that ये हो जाएगा मेरा center point and इस तरीके से मैं straight slot बना सकता हूँ. Right, now this radius is 40, enter, and this height is given 66. So जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं हमारा sketch complete हो चुका है. So there is nothing which need to be done anymore. It is already completed and this was a very simple and very interesting profile. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया है. अगर फिर भी आपके मन में कुछ डाउट है, constraint related doubts या फिर fully defined related doubt, you can ask us in the comment section below. Feel free to share your thoughts. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to share it with your friends so that everyone can learn at the same time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.